Hey, it's Leo from MarineMax Lake Norman. Welcome back. Wanted to highlight this new arrival. It's a 2025 Harris Solstice 230. This particular boat is in the ceramic white with the black accent stripe. We've also done the black fence railings on this boat, and it's also got the halo top up here. It's a power bimini. Looks really sharp from the outside. Let's go ahead and hop on inside and check out some of the interior features. All right, welcome aboard this 230 Solstice. This particular boat is powered with the 300 horsepower V8 Verado from Mercury in the black. It's a perfect power package for this boat. It's tons of fun, but also plenty of power to get a skier up, tow a tube, and get down the lake with some speed. This boat's also got the ski tow bar back here. It's new and upgraded for 2024 model year, carried over to 25. It's a really robust setup here. And then we've also done the lily pad easy step ladder, which is a great upgrade. Goes down nice and easily, comes up, very smooth operation, nice wide treads on there as well. Coming forward, you see this boat's got the tungsten interior color with the pillow top. It's got new stitching for 2025 on the accent panels here that are in the charcoal gray. This particular boat is in our SL layout with the dual helm chairs, so SLDH. It's one of the most popular layouts for the 2025 model year boats. Got a 3-position lounger here that goes that way, can go here, and goes all the way flat as well. Also got the option to flip up this rear seat, expose your storage, but also prop that up for a full forward-facing experience. In addition to that, back here, we've opted this boat with the fender holders that double as safety change, which allows you to ride rear-facing when you're underway. Come on inside the boat. Like I mentioned, this is a dual helm chair setup boat. Both chairs swivel, slide, and recline, and both have 2 flip-down armrests. Very comfortable. Up here at the helm on this boat, this one's got a raised helm with the Solstice. Got a lot of leg room up in here, and you've got a steering wheel on a tilt base so you can adjust it just to your liking. Paired with our 300 V8, this boat's got a digital throttle from Mercury. It's also going to have active trim and some other great features. Got your manual switching here for things like your lights, your accent lighting, tower up and down, horn, and all your key features. And then this boat's got the Deluxe Tech 2 package, which features the twin Simrad NSX screens, which allow you to get up and down the lake with ease. Great navigational capabilities. You got depth finder and everything else you'd want as well. This boat's also got the upgraded JL audio. Got the head unit right here. You've also got a remote back at the transom. Another great option on this boat is the center ski locker, the largest in the industry. Flips up, it's also got a pump in there to keep water out. Also optioned it with this little storage cubby here where you see your amplifier for your JL audio system. Coming up forward, it's a very deep place to be on the boat, very safe place to be. It's got nice height on these seat backs, and they are the pillow top, so they are nice and plush. Got plenty of storage under the seats on both sides. Great place to put your fenders, life jackets, things like that, as well as cup holders and USB and USB-C ports up here as well. Just been a quick overview of this 2025 Harris 230 Solstice. If you want to check this one out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, give us a call, or check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.